Today's the big day, huh, Kitty? Yeah. Here we go. Alright, heading off, meet our new cat. Nervous-sided. So basically the story is we're rescuing this cat from the shelter and that we haven't met because of the pandemic. You can't meet these animals. So this is gonna be the first time we meet this cat, and what we know about it is it's tiny and white. It's got a little pot belly. Looks super cute.
The destination is on your right. Georgian Triangle Humane Society.
Sweetheart, hi Tiny. Aren't you so tiny? Hello. Hi, look at you. Oh, so many cute kitties, huh?
Yeah, these are just like so like happy.
Oh! Alright, so here we go. Hi, Tiny. Listen to that tiny kitty. Hi, sweetheart. You okay? Hi, Tiny.
She's so small.
Well, we did it. We gotcha. We got this little Tiny. Okay, here we go, Tiny. Okay? You ready? Ready to go? Okay. Okay. Hi, Tiny. Hi, Tiny. Oh, she's so small. Look how small. Hi. Oh. Wow, she is tiny. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going, my monster? Where are you going? There you go, Tiny. You're a little climber, aren't you? You're a little climber. Oh, shoulder guy. Climber. Careful. Oh. Hey. Oh. Tiny guy. Here we go. Oh. You wanna climb up? It's okay. Such a brave guy. You're a brave kitty. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hi, Tiny. Oh, go here. Oh. Look at this little tiny one. Aren't you the cutest? Hi. You smell the new kitty? Shh. It's okay. Okay. You smell her, huh? It's okay. Good kitty. Hi. Whoa. You wanna come in the bath? Girl, where'd you go?
I want to play too.
Oh, who's that?
Oh.
You a hungry cat? Just feed her now.
You want this?
What do you say? Hello? Oh. Ah. You doing some editing? You helping? Are you helping? You helping there? Funny. Oh my gosh, funny cat. That was great. You're a little jumper, huh? Can we see some jumps? Wow, Kitty. Look at that. Look at those jumps. Are you out for the first time? Look at you. Look at this brave new world. Brave world. Okay, Nala. Okay, sweetheart. Nala. Tiny guy. Oh! Hi. Hi, sweet. Oh, hello. Hi, sweetheart. There you go. You want my teeth? Where's that funny guy? What's this? Little munchkin. Where you going, munchkin? Hey. Hi. What a cutie. Where you going? Where you going? You got a secret hiding spot?